Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator with a background in interior design, but I have been running my business full-time now for going on over 6 years. My partner Skylar and I are currently back living in Eastern Washington with our Labradoodle Indio, but we have been traveling around the country for the past 8+ years, I believe. So you may have been following along with me when we were living in Nashville or possibly Portland or Pittsburgh, but we are actually back in our hometown of Tri-Cities, Washington. If you guys missed my last video, it was a try-on haul of some new sustainable pieces from the Simple Folk. And I also shared a bedroom update with our new bed frame. So I will link that video for you guys if you missed it. Today's video is going to be a PR haul of some skincare and a new hair tool from T3 Micro and a couple other things. So we are going to go ahead and start opening up those boxes. There's a stack of boxes here, as you can see. I also did another PR haul recently, which I will link for you guys. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying these videos. So this first package is from Hey Bud Skincare. They are actually Australian based. They reached out to me recently to see if I'd want to try out a few of their products. So I'm very excited to try these out. They are actually hemp-based products. So there are a bunch of products here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products to share with you guys. The first one here is their Smooth It Over, which has 10% niacinamide and hemp serum in it. It also has ferulic acid licorice extract, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So this is basically a serum that you would apply after washing your face. Next, I have their Clear as Clay Hemp Clay Mask. This has hemp, kaolin, avocado oil, goji extract, and it is of course vegan and cruelty free. And they also use recyclable packaging, which I love. I definitely try to treat my skin to a mask at least once a week, so always excited to try out new face masks. And I know clay masks are really great for cleansing and purifying your skin, which at the moment my skin definitely needs. I also have their Get Hydrated Gel Moisturizer here with hemp, aloe vera, cutie biome, I'm probably not saying that right, pentavitin. And this is a moisturizer that you would apply morning and evening after washing your face. We also have their Hit Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser with hemp, green tea, salicylic acid, and betaine. And then they also sent this really cute little brush. I think you could use this for skincare, makeup, whatever. It has a cute little cover for it as well. Hey Bud. And some fun stickers. So I'll quickly just show you guys what the bottles look like. Sorry about the lighting in here. For some reason, the lighting in our bedroom is always kind of funky. This is the gel moisturizer. So they're a really cute green color with white caps and white writing. So very simple, very cute. Next up, we have another mailer from Kiehl's. I actually shared 2 of their packages in my last PR haul video, so I'm very excited to see what's in this box. Okay, so we actually have a new line that they're launching, introducing Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing and Polishing Powder Cleanser. So that's this guy here. Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing and Polishing Powder Cleanser. So that definitely sounds interesting. It says gently shake before use. Dispense a small coin-sized amount directly onto wet hands, and then you basically work that into a light foam and then apply it to your face to cleanse with. So the bottle feels different than normal, and that's because it's actually a powder product. You would do that twice daily like a regular cleanser. And then we also have their Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So there you can kind of see what that looks like. Intensively purifies to minimize pores with Amazonian white clay. Great for normal to oily skin types to help eliminate debris and dead surface skin cell accumulation that can clog pores and leave skin looking dull. So I am very excited to try these. I've been a big fan of Kiehl skincare for quite some time now. If you guys aren't familiar with them, they are actually apothecary based skincare. They've been around forever. And I was just reading up on this package. So this is the Kiehl's Mission Renewal. They are actually using 5% less water than a liquid cleanser in this cleanser. It's formulated with less than 2% water, a 96% biodegradable formula with fair trade Amazonian clay and renewably sourced ingredients. Water waste directly impacted by customer usage preferences. So you can use a very little amount of water with this product. And their packaging is 100% PCR packaging and cap. So that's Kiehl's Mission Renewal. I definitely love brands that take steps to be as eco-friendly as possible. So that is definitely a thumbs up from me. Okay, so next up is a package from Vegamour, which is a very popular brand right now for hair loss, for basically regrowing back thicker hair. And I really wanted to try them out because I was experiencing some really bad hair loss problems due to our very stressful move from Pittsburgh back to Eastern Washington. So I had been using a different brand called Viviscal, and I definitely had amazing results with them. But my sister had actually tried Vegamour and swore by this brand. So I reached out to see if they would be interested in sending me some product to try out, and they were. So they sent me a few things here. So I think this is like a mini kit version of the products in here, but I'll show you guys these first. So first up is a shampoo and conditioner set. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is the Grow Plus Advanced Replenishing Conditioner and the Grow Plus Advanced Replenishing Shampoo. So these are made with carmine to restore, retain, and renew your hair. So these actually have microencapsulated plant-based actives fortified with broad-spectrum CBD to bring you visibly thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. So another CBD-based product. It also has proprietary carmine made from vegan bee silk. Protein smooths and deeply hydrates and repairs damaged hair cuticles, while organic muru butter and wild harvested marula oil help to nourish, condition, and restore softness and shine to dry, damaged, fine, and or textured hair. And these are actually color safe, 100% vegan and cruelty free, and also free of GMOs, parabens, phthalate, sulfate, silicone, mineral oils, gluten, and synthetic fragrance. So that's definitely what I look for in hair care products. So that is awesome. And then I also have their Grow Scalp Detoxifying Serum here, which I am in major need of. I actually got my hair done about a month and a half ago, and they did like a detoxifying type cleanser to strip my hair of basically like hard water, any like residue from past color, and just like build up on my scalp. And my scalp was looking amazing for like a month or so, but I've definitely been noticing that I've been getting a ton of buildup on my scalp again. I think I'm just a lot more prone to that. So I cannot wait to try this out. Hopefully this will do the trick for the buildup on my scalp, for improving that. So very excited to try this out. Basically, you massage it into dry or damp scalp, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. So you would follow this after the shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and then rinse it out after 3 to 5 minutes. And then in this little package here, it actually is 3 of their Grow Advanced Hair Serums. So this serum is different than the detoxifying scalp serum. You would just use that in the shower after shampoo and conditioner. But these serums you actually leave in your hair after you have like towel dried your hair after showering. I have to say, I also love their packaging. It's very simple with gold accents, which would also look very cute in your bathroom. As you guys can probably tell, aesthetics are very important to me, especially because I do have a background in design, so I obviously care about aesthetics. Okay, so I have one last package here to share with you guys. This is that hair tool from T3 Micro. So this is their T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio. So it is a curling iron, but it actually has 3 different curlers to use. So you can use the, I think it's like a 1.5 inch, 1 inch, and maybe a 1/2 inch barrel. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I have their blow dryer, one of their blow dryers, which is absolutely amazing, but it was definitely time for me to get a new curling iron. So I'm glad that I have a set from them now. And I have never had all these barrel options. So I'm very, very excited about that. I think I always just had like a 1/2 inch barrel, but I love like the bigger, looser waves, which you can accomplish with the bigger barrel. You kind of need like a bigger barrel, 1 to like 1.5 inch to get those bigger, looser waves. So I cannot wait to try this out. This is going to be a big game changer for me. So here's what those look like. So it's actually a 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1 inch barrels. So you can easily unlock and insert them, switch them out pretty easily, and you can style your hair, curl your hair in so many different ways with a curling iron like this. So I'm very, very excited about this. Okay guys, so that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys in this haul. A big thank you to all of the brands who sent me product to share with you guys. I'll definitely see if I can get any codes for you guys as far as getting a little bit of a discount if you want to shop any of the products from these brands. And if I am able to, I will leave them in the caption below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to subscribe. And if you guys know of anyone that you think would enjoy my channel, please be sure to share it with them. That way you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. I think we are at 3.64, something like that. I would love to get to 4K very soon. So anything that you guys can do to help me out is much appreciated. And don't forget to check me out on my socials at The Urban Darling and my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more content like this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye!